So now let's see how we can work around with Storyblock inside of wordpress.com. So in order to go ahead and work around with Storyblock, I'm going to go ahead and hover around in between two blocks and click on the plus button. And I'm going to go ahead and type in story right here. So over here you can see that story is an option, so you simply need to click on it, and then over here you can drag in images or videos as you want. Let me just go ahead and select out a few medias that I have right here, just like this, and then click on insert. Once you go ahead and do that, just like with a mobile phone, you can see that you see a story right here just like this. You can also go ahead and add in videos to this if you want. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. And then if I were to go around as with any other blocks, you can go ahead and change this out as well. Let me just go ahead and save this out, and then let's say expand this, and this is what you have. You get the story mode right here just like this. You can expand it out or just see the story right over here on the small window as well. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with Storyblock option inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.